Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to install a picture hook easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a picture hook right here. This is one example of what it looks like. You can see that we have the hook portion right over here. Let me put the camera down just for a brief moment. We have the hook portion right over here, and the picture hangs on this part. And then we have a single nail that holds it into the wall. Now, when you place it onto the wall, what you want to make sure of is that the nail is angled downward. So you can see when the picture hook is flat against the wall, the nail is angled downward. That's what you want so that it has a stronger holding capability. Now, first and foremost, you want to mark off a spot on the wall. So place a mark on the wall using a pencil, pen, or marker. It doesn't really matter. I recommend a pencil because the point will be small enough that you can, the nail should cover it up when it goes through it. But also you can erase it if you ever need to change it or change the location. And then you want to place the nail right on top of the mark and then nail it into place using a hammer, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. However, take into account the fact that the picture hook actually is lower than the nail. So don't put the nail right where you want the picture to hang, because the hook portion is actually below the nail. You can see the picture will hang lower than where you place the nail. So it's very simple and straightforward. I'm going to flip out my screen so I can see what you all see. You want to place your picture hook against the wall. Place the nail in your location that you want to nail it to, right over here. So I'm just going to imaginarily say that I had a mark right here on the wall. You want to give it a few light taps. Like I said, you're trying to angle the nail slightly downwards. So give it a few light taps. I'm just going to move my body here. There we go. So hold the nail in place, give it a few light taps. Just like that. Now you can see after a few light taps, it actually is holding itself in the wall just slightly, okay? Sorry about the lack of focus with the camera there, but you can see the angle is slightly downwards with the nail. And all that I have to do now is just give it a few more taps with the hammer, and you want to hammer it until this plate, the back plate of the picture hook, is flush with the wall, just like that. That's usually enough. If you want to give it one or two light taps after that, just to really make sure that it's not going to go anywhere, that's totally fine. But as you can see right here, we have a picture hook against the wall. We can hang a picture on this nicely, and just make sure that you're following the recommendations for the weight limits of the picture hook that you're using. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.